quick RIT refresher on air straps move with locating, assessing, and packaging a down fireman. More than likely when you're going to be coming up to them, their pass alarm is going to be going off. First thing we're going to be doing is securing that pass alarm, making sure that it is silent, so for yourself and for everybody else you have a second to kind of calm down and hear what's going on. Next thing we're going to do is we come up to the down member. We're going to be seeing who they are, because as we're locating that person, we need to find out that we're actually finding the correct member, and we're not coming across the second or third member that's down inside the fire. So knowing that I'm coming to look for Justin here, I got his name on his back, I know it's him. I'm checking his air pressure. Right now, being a new bottle, he's at 4 grand, which is solid. You can even take a double check and check on your pass here as well. And then checking his conscious level. If you're able to talk to him, he's able to answer questions. If he's just hurt, it makes everything a lot easier. If he's unconscious, obviously, we got to get him out that much faster. Justin, you good? You can say yes. Once we know he's good, we can set him up, get him in this spot right here, kind of lean back. My partner that'd be with me can help kind of assess him from the front as well. And then all we're doing is just tightening these straps down as hard as we can and getting him ready to move. Like I said, air straps moved. There's our first priority. If there's something wrong with the air, obviously we have a RIT back here that we need to manage that and get in air. The guy that'd be at the feet here, we help him tighten these down the best that we can, and then we're moving. So we're not doing it through the legs anymore. We're tightening the 4 straps down as hard as we can and